On today's IRS tax refund update, with those ongoing tax refund delays continuing for many, we will take a look at the latest developments, including the next round of tax refunds scheduled for release. Meanwhile, we will take a look at the cause of those ongoing delays, including those still impacted by the 570 tax transcript code and ID verification, all while the IRS continues not to publicly address those still experiencing delays, even months after filing. Starting off with the latest, as the next round of direct deposit tax refunds is scheduled for release on May 6th, as confirmed by the refund status results seen here. Now, if you are part of this latest refund batch, do allow up until May 11th for it to post to your bank account before initiating a payment trace with the IRS. And also do note that your refund status results may not always update, and that it is advised for you to check your tax transcripts for the most up-to-date information on your current refund status. Even though it has been nearly 2 weeks since the tax refund deadline has passed, tax refund delays continue to grow, as there are now over 3 million unprocessed tax returns, including many of our viewers still remaining as of this recording. Now, the IRS continues not to speak publicly about those tax refund delays currently impacting many of you, nor have news outlets covered much of anything pertaining to taxes even during the tax season. In many cases, viewers have not been able to receive any assistance when they call the main IRS customer service number, and ongoing reports indicate the taxpayer advocate is not accepting new cases until next month. However, several viewers have reached out to us to indicate they have actually seen movement on their tax return status after they reached out to their congressional representative's office for assistance. Based on the current trend, we are recommending those who have not reached out to go ahead and contact your local representative's office for assistance. Unfortunately, we are currently predicting these tax refund delays will continue into the summer and reach fall at this point, given the amount of unprocessed tax returns remaining. The causes of some of these problems, and that includes both individual tax returns, amended tax returns, and business tax returns based on current trends and past years' processing. Meanwhile, a clear majority of those experiencing refund delays are encountering the 570 code on their tax transcripts seen here, and there could be a variety of scenarios, such as simply seeing the 570 transcript code to seeing the 570 and 971 codes with 2 separate dates, or seeing those codes with the same date. Now, the 570 code does represent a hold on your tax return that requires further examination, and perhaps even paperwork before processing can in fact continue. As we have stated previously, the hold could be as a result of anything from a random review of your tax return to the IRS computer system identifying a potential issue or discrepancy, the need for ID verification, or even an audit of the return in question. For those of you who withdrew from your retirement accounts in 2023, we have seen a massive increase in those impacted by tax return reviews. And even though this is yet another issue the IRS will not address publicly, we believe the reviews are a result of these withdrawals not being normal income you have received in past years, which has caused the IRS computer system to flag the return in question for further review. Now, for those who are impacted by the 570 transcript code and receive the generic 60-day notice from the IRS, which indicates they are waiting for your tax information to be available on their computer system, that oftentimes means they have still not processed your employer's wage information, which they need to match against your tax return for accuracy. Meanwhile, another cause of refund delays for many, and another cause that usually random, is the need to complete ID verification. Again this year, we saw an increase in the number of ID verification requests being made, which significantly impacted those who filed their tax returns early, and as we speculate, was in response to the significant amount of data breaches reported last year. In most cases, ID verification can be done online. However, even now, there are those viewers who do not realize they need to complete ID verification in order for their tax processing to continue, because they never received a letter, such as the 5071C notice like seen here from the IRS, and are unable to reach the IRS by phone. Though we anticipate answer rates will probably increase now that the tax filing season is officially over. However, do note if you receive the 4883C or 6330C ID verification letters from the IRS, it means you must complete ID verification in person. Let us know in the comments section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.